Hello everyone, I'm Shazad and you're watching Fast 360 News. Here are the top stories.
Will Bitcoin rally after the US CPI data is released tomorrow? Crypto markets are on edge as investors prepare for one of the most important inflation reports of the month. The US Consumer Price Index, or CPI, measures inflation. It plays a major role in shaping expectations around interest rates and Federal Reserve policy, both of which strongly influence Bitcoin. If CPI comes in lower than expected, markets may price in future rate cuts. That could weaken the US dollar, boost risk assets, and give Bitcoin momentum for a short-term rally. But if inflation remains hot, investors may fear higher for longer interest rates. That could pressure Bitcoin, triggering profit-taking and increased volatility across the crypto market. Traders are already positioning ahead of the data, with rising options activity and cautious sentiment. Bitcoin's reaction may be sharp, in either direction, within minutes of the release. As always, volatility is expected. Will CPI spark the next Bitcoin rally, or a pullback? Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, the global world story is far from over. Make sure to subscribe for more fast world updates.